In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop background tracking on iOS 26 and improve your privacy in a smart way. This is something you would definitely want to do because a lot of apps are tracking you in the background without you even knowing. So what you're going to want to do is follow these 3 important settings right here. Let me break down step by step. First setting is to stop app tracking requests. This is the biggest one. Go ahead and open Settings and scroll down to Privacy and Security. Over here, tap on Tracking. Now you will see an option that says Allow apps to request to track. If this is turned on, apps are going to ask permission and still try to follow your activity across other apps and websites. So what you want to do is turn this off. Just toggle it off. And, oh great, now apps can't even ask to track you anymore. This is a huge privacy win already. Now moving to the second setting. You gotta disable background app refresh. This one is important because apps are constantly running in the background, using data and tracking activity. Go back to Settings, then tap General. Now tap on Background App Refresh. Over here, you can either set it to off or choose Wi-Fi only. If you want to fully stop background activity, go ahead and set it to off. This will help reduce hidden tracking and also save battery and data. So yeah, this is a smart move. Now let's go to the third setting. You want to disable analytics and location improvement. This is where your iPhone is sending usage data and location info to Apple. Go to Settings, then Privacy and Security. Tap Location Services. Scroll all the way down and tap System Services. Now over here, look for product improvement options like iPhone Analytics or Routing and Traffic. What you're going to want to do is turn all of these off. This will stop your iPhone from sending unnecessary data in the background. Wow, now you've already locked down 3 major tracking areas on your iPhone. Anyways, if you follow these steps, you're going to have better privacy, less background activity, and more control over your data. Make sure you check these settings right here on your device and keep them off. If you have any other questions, you can ask in the comments and I'll help you out if required.